Hello guys, this is Nick with Phone Arena and I'm reporting for you live from IFA 2013. So right now I'm here checking out the Alcatel One Touch Idol Mini, which is a new mid-range Android smartphone from Alcatel. Now the first thing we noticed as soon as we picked it up was just how light and compact it felt, considering that it packs a 4.3-inch screen. The material that the casing is made of is plastic, but it does sport this nice brushed metal finish on the back. It's still plastic though, so don't be fooled. The display on the device measures 4.3 inches in diagonal, as we said, and it has a resolution of 480 by 854 for a widescreen aspect ratio. It's made using IPS technology and it has a fingerprint resisting coating. It looks really nice in person. It has very accurate color representation and overall it's decent enough considering the smartphone's class. The processor inside the Alcatel One Touch Idol Mini runs at 1.2 GHz and it's of the dual-core variety. We've been playing with this for a few minutes now and we can say that it runs pretty swiftly. We cannot really complain about its performance, at least right now. The Alcatel One Touch Idol Mini comes with Android 4.2 out of the box, but its interface is pretty far from what you would get on a stock Android device. Alcatel has added a few tweaks of its own, and one of them is this home screen, which is dedicated to widgets only. Basically, you can add a lot of widgets on this screen. There's practically no limit as to how many widgets you can add, and they will scroll vertically, so you can easily find the widget that you need. Other than that, we don't really see that many radical transformations as far as the interface is concerned. On the back of the Alcatel One Touch Idol Mini, we see a 5-megapixel camera with an LED flash, and here at the front we have a front-facing camera. This is a dual SIM smartphone, meaning that you can use the services of two carriers at the same time. Here we have the two slots for the SIM cards on the right side of the device, and on the left we have the volume rocker. Underneath the screen we have three capacitive buttons for the home, back and multitasking features respectively. You get 4 GB of storage and 512 MB of RAM with this device, but the dual SIM version of this smartphone comes with 8 GB of storage and still 512 MB of RAM. The battery inside it has a capacity of 1700 mAh and it's rated for 9 hours of continuous 3G talk time. So this is the Alcatel One Touch Idol Mini. Expect to see it on shelves near you by the end of this year. For you guys from IFA 2013, this is Nick with Phone Arena.